Hello guys, welcome once again. Now I will show you how to connect Sqlite database with NetBeans Java IDE. So earlier we created a project called project 123. So right click on that, go to new and click Java class. It will ask you the name. So we are going to name it as Java Connect and press finish, and it will create a new class called Java Connect. Now we have to import certain things, like I'm copying and pasting because I'm lazy. So we have to import java.sql.star and semicolon, and import javax.swing.star. You have to import these two files. Then you have to write a small code which is like that. Write connection con is equal to null, then create a method called public static connection connector db. That means this is name. Then write try and make a catch for it, and then try you have to write class dot for name, and in the brackets you have to write to connect Sqlite. You have to connect right here is org.sqlite.jdbc. This is the standard connection path you have to give in order to connect it from JDBC. Then you have to write connection con. You can give it any name. I have given it con is equal to driver manager dot get connection, and in the bracket you have to write, I'll show you, JDBC SQL, and the file you have already made in Sqlite, which is project123.sqlite file, and you have to give the path. So we know that we already saved our file in our NetBeans project. We'll go to the NetBeans project 123. This is the database file of SQLite file we already created in last tutorial. So go click this, and you just have to copy its path. So copy the path and paste it here. Once again copy the path. I somehow didn't copy it, and paste here. When you copy the path and paste it here, it will show error because instead of this slash, you have to give it this kind of a slash and double slash. If you don't give double slash, it will not connect to the file and it will show error. Like I delete this thing and it will show error. You have to write double slash. So once again you have to write connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection, and in this bracket you have to write JDBC semicolon Sqlite colon C of whatever the path you have copied. You have to just paste it here. Okay, this is the path you have pasted, and then just copy the name and after this paste the name dot Sqlite. So we are connected to our database, and then you have to return con and write the catch block, catch in the bracket exception E, and then in the catch block you have to write J option pane dot show message dialog and in a bracket null comma E. So if any error in connection comes, it will show what is the error in the form of dialog box. You can also write this block J option pane dot show message dialog null comma connection established, so you will be able to know that when the connection is made, the dialog box will open and it will show connection established. So this thing you can also make. If you have MySQL database instead of Sqlite database, you just have to change two things in order to connect it from MySQLite and NetBeans. That is, you have to write class.forName com.mysql.jdbc.driver, and here below it connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection jdbc.mysql dot the name of the local host. In my case this is localhost, and the name of the database file and whatever your username and password is. So you have to write this, and rest will be the same. Once again you have to write com.sql.jdbc.driver, and in get connection you have to write this. So in this way you can establish the connection between MySQL or Sqlite from NetBeans. So I think that's it for now. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and see you in next video. Bye.